Hi! I ordered some groceries on Walmart.com and they just arrived and I unloaded them and I haven't done a video in over a week. So here's the video. We got milk. We got one bottle of Diet Pepsi because I can never do a grocery shopping trip without at least one Diet Pepsi. We got a bag of potatoes, another can of Italian diced tomatoes, sour cream because that's a staple here, and margarine, because I was out of margarine, and we needed some baby powder for bathroom needs. Here we go with the meats. We got some chuck eye. That was relatively low cost. We got some boneless, skinless thighs chicken. Green onion to go with the potatoes. And then our frozen goods, we have chicken nuggets, the big bag. Little potato rounds. These are crispy rounds. We have crinkle cut fries, chicken breast strips, crispy. And I decided to give popcorn chicken a try. So, new to our menu is crispy rounds and popcorn chicken. But everything else in here is pretty much regular. And the last time I did some chuck, I did it actually in the Instapot. And it came out actually pretty damn good. I just need to add some like steak seasoning next time. Anyways, we can do french fries and crispy rounds with the steak. Okay, that's it. Thanks for coming to BB's channel. Please stay tuned for more random grocery hauls and tidbits. Thank you. Bye-bye. Now the fridge and freezer are full and I'm feeling much more satisfied. On the bottom, we have a lot of cheeses. We have a lot of butter and margarine. And we got two things of a bag of salad and then a container of salad mix. We have previous eggs, new eggs, 18 count, and I think 4 left of those. And then we have chicken breast tenders, chicken thighs, and chuck eye steak. We have a big bag of potatoes. We have 5 bags of ravioli and tortellini, English muffins, a new sour cream, a new jug of milk in the back, a new jug right there of Diet Pepsi, and then some new sparkling iced lemonades, one new Caesar dressing that I put in the fridge yesterday. We have 2 cans of biscuits. Up here we have some Winco air fryer junk food, broccoli, and Texas toast. Still haven't finished this. It's been in the freezer for a while. We have 2 boxes of pizza, some more air fryer junk food, 1 bag of fries, big bag of chicken nuggets, big bag of popcorn chicken, bag of chicken strips, and a bag of crispy round tater tots. I mean, now that is the fridge that I like to see. I'm happy.